Hi there, I'm here to review the this product here, Snore Care high quality snoring device. I bought these because my husband was complaining about me snoring all the time, and he would get up and leave the room because I was snoring so loudly, and I felt really bad. I thought, $16, $17 for these on Amazon. Why not try it? So it comes in this little case, and the Amazon listing says set of 4. So that would make you think 4 sizes. That is not the case. The 4 are actually 2 different sizes. Let's see if I can find them. 2 are ridged and 2 are not. So that's how you get your 4. 2 different sizes. My camera adjust. So 2 different sizes. Okay. And then these are ridged and these are not. So that means if you have small nostrils like me, you're going to end up having to use the smaller size. But these are still too big. These are still too big. So this is my review. They work. They work great. Such a small thing. It's so weird, but they work. So positive. Yes, they do work. My experience with them is they're very uncomfortable if you have very small nostrils like myself. I've used them 3 nights in a row. The first night, I put them in all the way. I couldn't stand it for more than a couple hours. Ripped them out, threw them on the table. Went to sleep. My husband was already asleep by then, so if I snored, he didn't hear it. It wasn't bothering him. Second night, put them in like halfway, and that was much better and much more comfortable. I slept pretty much almost the entire night with them in, maybe around like 6 in the morning, and I get up around, I want to say it was like 7 in the morning, and I get up around like 10. I got up at like 10. So I slept most of the night with them in, but I took them out around 7. And then last night was a rough night for both of us, and he has night terrors and stuff, so last night was not good. But, and I didn't really have them in last night. I tried them. I kept them in. But my point is, they're very large, even when you're using the smaller ones, if you have small nostrils. So, just be aware if you're gonna buy this specific one on Amazon, just know that it's actually only 2 sizes and not 4 sizes. And that's why I wanted to make this review. The other thing, I haven't seen anybody say this in a review, so I don't know if it's just me or if it's just something that they can live with. But the part between the two, this little piece goes right here. And it's tickling right above my lip all night long, or while I have them in. And that is just a very irritating thing for me. So yeah, I mean, they do work. I have to move them, kind of tilt them up a little so they don't rub on my lip, because that really irritates me. And they're too big for me. So I think I'm going to invest in some other ones, because I've seen other ones that were smaller. Yeah. So I will try those. This is just my review of this specific one. So things to take away from this: yes, they do work. Different sizes, not so much. And the nose thing rubs. So with all those in mind, if you're willing to try them, I would suggest go ahead and do it. But for me personally, I don't like them. I'm going to try different ones. I'm going to see if I can get my money back on Amazon and get different ones so I can exchange them. Thank you very much. Have a great day.